Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to download and install Truecaller app. Go to your phone menu, find the Playstore app and click on it. In the search box, type Truecaller and hit search. Click on the first result. Click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is complete, click Open. Now click on Get Started. You will be asked whether you want to set Truecaller as your default phone app. Select your preferred choice. For the demo purpose, I will select Truecaller. Click on Set as Default. Click on Continue. Select the phone number you want to use. If you want to use a different phone number, click on None of the above. Enter your phone number and click on Continue. Click on Confirm. Now click on Agree and Continue. Wait for few seconds. Our phone number has been verified. Now we need to create our profile. You can create an account using your Google or Facebook account, or you can type your name manually. Enter your first name. Enter your last name. Enter your email address. Click on Continue. Now you will be asked whether you want to enable backup feature in the Truecaller app. Click on Backup now to enable it, or click later to skip this step. Now you will be asked whether you want to buy a premium subscription. Just click on the back button at the top to skip it. That's it, your Truecaller account has been created. This is how you can download and install Truecaller app. Thank you for watching.